Philippines cell phone repair in the ICM Mall. This is the most reasonably priced store in all of Bohol, and they fix iPhones, the green screen iPhone problem, and it's located in the ICM Mall, directly across from the Samsung store. Everyone else wanted 7,000 pesos to repair my iPhone, and this gentleman did it for 3,500. Thanks for watching. For cell phone repair in Bohol, Tagbilaran, or in the ICM area, I would suggest Mobile Works. Everyone wanted between 4,500 pesos, $80, to 6,500, $120 to do an iPhone green screen repair. The gentleman in that store right there did a beautiful job that worked, 5 weeks now, for $3,500 with a guarantee. And that store is located at the top of the escalators in the ICM Mall, directly across from Samsung sales office. Thanks for watching. From the Philippines, Merry Christmas, baby.